These are the best laptops under $1,000 in 2021. Welcome to PC Guide. Number 3. ASUS ZenBook 14. The ASUS ZenBook 14 is a versatility king. Under the hood, the Intel Core i7-1165 G7 CPU does all the heavy lifting on Windows 10, with admirable performance. Whether that's fast loading times when booting up the computer or browsing the internet, good FPS when gaming, and reliable all-round performance. 8GB of LPDDR4X memory ensures the Acer ZenBook 14 can handle multitasking quite well. Other specifications include a roomy 512GB SSD, 400 nits brightness, 14-inch display, 1920 by 1080 resolution, 65-watt battery up to 22 hours according to ASUS, 90% screen-to-body ratio, Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, backlit keyboard, and a useful numpad that appears on the trackpad at the press of a button. Number 2. Dell G5 15-5500. The Dell G5 15-5500 aims to plug the gap between an on-point gaming experience and affordability at this price point. Designed through and through for gaming, it sources most of its power from an Intel Core i7-10750H CPU, 8GB of DDR4 2933MHz RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti with 4GB of GDDR6 RAM. It's worth noting that the Dell G5 15-5500 can be customized to feature up to an RTX 3060 and 16GB of RAM, turning into a much more powerful gaming laptop, but doing so pushes the price tag beyond the $1,000 threshold of this video. And number 1. Acer Swift 3. Rounding off our pick of the best laptops under $1,000 is the Acer Swift 3. Acer has succeeded in packing lots of value into the Acer Swift 3 with excellent performance, 14-inch display, 1080p FHD resolution, long battery life, and a compact, ultra-lightweight design. Tapping into the power of an AMD Ryzen 7 4700U chip with Radeon graphics, 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM, and a 512GB SSD, the Acer Swift 3 sports excellent specs for the price. If you have any questions or recommendations, please drop those in the comments, and if this video helped you, remember to hit like and subscribe, and maybe I can help you again sometime soon. And thanks for watching PC Guide.